Hey, if you're a high-level developer, today we're talking about webhook logs for your app. So if your app utilizes webhooks, then this is going to be really useful for you inside of the app marketplace developer dashboard. So let me show you how it works. So inside of your app dashboard at marketplace.GoHighLevel.com, you can go to any of your apps by clicking into them here or going to My Apps. And then under our insights at the very bottom, you can see logs. Now right here is our webhook logs. So we can see all of our webhook events right here in this table. And we can see a lot of data from here when you have webhooks actually firing. So this is an example. You'll be able to see all of your webhooks here, the number of events, total attempts, and all of the different webhook IDs, and then what the event is whenever it is happening. And then you can click onto any of these webhooks, and then you can see your event details. So you can see the webhook URL for what you're actually running, the event name, the webhook ID, what number of attempt it is. So if it's running multiple times, you'll be able to see which attempt this was, the time the attempt happened, and then the payload, of course, with all of this able to copy, send to your team in order to help you debug and make sure that your app is running smoothly. If you're running a high-level marketplace app, feel free to check out the help doc or log into your developer portal at marketplace.GoHighLevel.com and check this out. Of course, if you have any questions about webhooks or the app marketplace in general, feel free to drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.